We're here in beautiful Rocky Point on a yucky, rainy, windy day. We are in the process of getting ready to demolish 149 King Road, which has been a tremendous eyesore, quality of life issue for the numerous residents that live along King Road and all the neighboring streets. Obviously, as we're at 300 plus demolitions, we understand what these houses do to the property values and the fact that the neighbors do not feel safe because these houses are an attractive nuisance for nothing ever good happening, whether it be squatters or drug abuse or any other issue or vermin coming to live in the house, just people up to no good. When we take the house down, we leave a beautiful vacant lot where the bank can sell it to a young family and possibly build a new house. But in the meantime, we've brought peace of mind to the residents of King Road.